welcome back to my channel. I am Michu, and in today's video I am going to share with you all makeup products that all makeup beginners should have. Now I know when you're a makeup beginner it can get a little tricky on what products I should have, what products I should not. So don't worry, your girl is here and I'm going to share with you all the products you really need. Now I know when you're a makeup beginner you don't want to spend a lot of money on makeup. You just want to try some affordable makeup first and then you want to go for high-end or expensive product. So I'm going to share with you all affordable and kind of budget-friendly products, but some of them are a little expensive, and the reason why I'm sharing this product is they are really good and I want you guys to try it and I know you won't regret it. Now I don't have anything to say now, so let's start the video. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, go subscribe now. Okay, now start. So the very first step is to prep your skin, like a toner, moisturizer and sunscreen. According to your skin type, choose your moisturizer. Now I'm not going to go in detail about skincare products since this video is more about what makeup products you should have. But yeah, prepping your skin is really important. It smoothes your skin surface for a more even foundation. So I've already prepped my skin, so I'm going to move on to the next step, and the next step is to use a primer. So if you don't know what a primer is something which creates an extra layer between your skin and foundation, which helps your makeup last really long. And if you have a lot of pores just like me, you should definitely use a primer. For the primer, I will suggest you guys to use this one, the Smashbox Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur. This one is a little expensive, but it's so good. It's perfect for, you know, smooth, flawless and poreless skin. It blurs out fine lines and pores like magic. So it's really good and I'm going to show you how to use it. I have another one also for primer. It's this one, Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. This one is also good. They both are kind of similar, but I think ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा अच्छा है. But you can go for this one also. They both are nice. Now when it comes to primer, you just have to take a really little bit of it. It's not like a moisturizer. Just take थोड़ा सा. So I'm just going to apply it in the area where I have the most skin texture and lot of pores. Now we are done with primer. Next is foundation. Now if you don't know what a foundation is something which helps you to create even skin layer, and you can also use it to, you know, cover your flaws, your blemishes, and I think some people also use it to change their natural skin tone. Now for the foundation, I have two options for you guys. So the number one is Maybelline Fit Me Foundation, and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude, and I know ये सबका favorite है and होना भी चाहिए. It blends beautifully and it gives you amazing coverage and it does last really long, and it gives you matte finish. So if you have dry skin, make sure you moisturize really well, or you can add some moisturizer into this foundation before applying it and you're good to go. And the price of this one is $467, so it's quite affordable. Next I have is Loreal True Match Foundation, and I'm in the shade Golden Beige, and this one is amazing if you want nice glowy look. It gives you nice dewy finish and it's amazing for, you know, dry skin. It's really good for dry skin. So these both are amazing foundation. According to your skin type and your preferences, you can choose any of them. They both are really good, but I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match Foundation because your girl likes to glow. पहले बाल बांध देते हैं. Now I always like to apply minimum foundation and I use my fingertips. Never apply too much foundation. You can always build another layer, but always start with minimum foundation. Now to blend my foundation, I'm just going to use a pack brush, and this is in the number 252. I still remember मैं ना 1-2 साल पहले मेकअप कर रही थी और मैं ऐसे ब्लेंड कर रही थी. सो माई नानी वॉज लाइक, मेरी नानी बहुत बड़ी ऑब्जर्वर है, सो वो पूरा देख रही थी कि मैं कैसे कर रही वगैरह. फिर बाद में बोलती है कि इधर तूने फाउंडेशन ही लगाया. एंड आई वाज लाइक, आपको पता है फाउंडेशन क्या है? आई नेवर मिस माई नेक पार्ट. Now next step I'm going to do is totally optional. I'm just going to use a beauty blender. This one is again from PAC, and I'm just going to blend the foundation because I feel beauty blender gives you really nice finish. Now after foundation, I'm going to use a concealer, and a concealer is something you can hide your dark circles, flaws, blemishes, any kind of scars. It's kind of similar to foundation, but concealer is thicker than foundation. So again, I have two suggestions for you guys for concealer, and they both are काफी famous. So this one is LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this one is Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And I'm in the shade Pure Beige in LA Girl, and in this one I'm in the shade Fair. Now they both are really good. They give you nice coverage. You can go for any one of them. But for now, I'm going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I am so hungry right now under my eyes. And I'm also going to apply it over here, like a Adivasi. Now the reason why I did this is this helps to, you know, highlight your face, like it will look more structured. Now again, to blend this, I have mini sponges from PAC. This is really optional. You can use the same beauty blender that you have used for foundation, but I'm going to use this one, chotu one. Now we're done with the concealer. After this, I'm going to use a setting powder, and a setting powder is kind of a loose powder, but it helps to keep your concealer in place. If you're going to apply concealer, make sure you apply loose powder after it, because concealers are really thick, so you have to apply a loose powder, setting powder, or even compact, but loose powders are better than compact. So I'm going to use the MyGlamm one, and this is really good. Here we have shimmer powder, and here we have fixing powder. So I'm going to use fixing powder. To apply fixing powder, I'm going to use PAC brush 245. Take a little bit and just apply it. Now I think I'm done with my base. Of course, there are many more things like blush, highlighter, contouring, bronzer. These are the steps you have to follow. But one more step that I feel is really important for your base is a blush. Now you can use a lipstick as a blush, but blushes are really important because it makes your skin look really fresh and healthy. So always apply a blush. For blush, I'm going to use the Face Shop Lip and Cheek Tint. It's really good. It stays for I think 3-4 hours. So it's really amazing. Now we are moving on to my eye makeup, and the eye brushes that I use are from PAC. I got the whole set, and I got it from Nykaa. It's really good. It has all these brushes. For the eyebrows, I'm going to use this eyebrow brush. Now if you guys know me, you know I don't do much to my eyebrows. I just like to brush it. If you want to fill in your eyebrows, you can just use any black eyeshadow and any angular brush like this, and you can just fill it out. For the eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Sophx Palette, and this one is really good for makeup beginners. It has all the shades, warm shades, black shades, and it also has some shimmer colors. I'm going to do is, I don't know. Okay, let's see. So I'm going to select this one, Running Late, and I'm just going to use a blending eyeshadow brush. Now I'm just going it over my crease like this. Now I'm going to take a small blending brush and taking the same color, just apply it on my lower lashes. Should I do wing liner? I'm not sure. I think सबको wing liner पसंद है. Let's do wing liner. So for liner, I'm going to use this one, Lakme Insta liner. So I always like to draw a line like this towards my eyebrows and then join it like this. Now you can fill it. Clap for me. My liner is pretty good and they both are equal. Now I'm also going to use a kajal because I feel I want to show you all the makeup products. So I'm just going to apply. Now for the mascara, I'm going to use the Flower Beauty Lash Warrior, and this one is so good because I'm so choosy when it comes to mascara, and I feel I have tried all the mascaras in the market and this one is so good. This and Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, they both are really good. Look at this! For the highlighter, I'm going to use Palladio highlighter stick. This one is really good and it's really easy to apply. For the lipstick, I'm going to use the Nykaa Wonderpuff lipstick, and this is in the shade Dream On. This is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Do share it with your friends, girlfriends, Mosi, Bua, Chacha, Chachi, सबको share कर लो. And if you guys want to see a dedicated video for oily skin or dry skin, I have just posted it on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is TheSassThing. You can go check it out. I love you so much. I'll see you next Friday. Bye.